preparing myself to film today. Now, ever since lockdown, I've not really had a lot of client filming, especially as they're all postponed. Today is my first day of filming with a client, and I am preparing my equipments for it. Let me guys show you. So I want to show you guys what I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna pack my ND filter. Of course, this is my kit. It's my Sony a7S II and my Tamron lens, 28 to 75mm with an f-stop of 2.8. My ZQ Tech stabilizer and my camera bag. And right now, because of COVID, definitely a antibacterial hand sanitizer. I'm working with a makeup artist, a wedding makeup artist, and I'm gonna be filming some glamour shots, and these are the equipment that I'm gonna bring with me. Okay, so right now I'm making lunch. Well, I'm making some food just in case I do get hungry. That's just my sister. Sometimes when it comes to filming or what's happening, you really get carried away that you start feeling hungry at the end of it. And most of the time, I shouldn't be expecting that the client will give me the food. I like to bring my own food just in case, but making sure you have food there when you're hungry is really important, and that's one of the things I've learned, because even if you get that 5-minute break, 10-minute break, it's really handy that you already have prepared food over there compared to if you have 5 to 10 minutes of a break and you still have to go out and buy food. So it's definitely handy to have your food prepared. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So this is my full kit. I can't find any lunch bag. This is the only lunch bag I can find, but it'll do. I arrived. Hey guys, I arrived here at the venue. Obviously, I didn't drive with a mask on, but I put my mask on because I'm about to leave. I'll get my stuff out and leave, and then yeah, see how it goes. Do you like my face mask? It's got bees on it to represent Manchester. Well, I chose this face mask because it has bees, and you know, it reminds me of Manchester, which is a home to me. So yeah, I still have 10 minutes to go, but I think I'm gonna go in and meet everyone, the team. I'm not gonna be vlogging when I'm meeting them because they might not want to be on YouTube. So yeah, let's do it. This is beautiful. Like, wow. Just gonna look for somewhere to set up. Can I set up? Probably here. It looks so beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, I'll set up here at the corner, at the hidden corner. Okay, so here I am. I'm just gonna set up now. The venue is so beautiful, like wow, it's so pretty. Can't wait to shoot. I took off my mask because I'm the only one in the room so far. I think later on I'll put my face mask on. So the first thing I've set up is actually my OSMO pocket. I finally managed to house my gimbal. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? I did it. I literally did it. cleaning my camera.